Hi guys, and welcome back to Park Farms. Today we are going to the Spring Cavan show in County Cavan, and we're bringing you along with us. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and here it is. Okay guys, so we are here now. Well, we're just trying to find somewhere to park, and yeah, we're here. There's so much people. There's like a good 100 cars? Yeah, there's like 100 cars. Sorry, it's kind of bumpy. Yeah, there's 100 cars. There's so many people, and he's bought stuff, and it's mad. Everyone's coming out buying stuff. There's tons. There's a Valtrin trailer over there, and there's another trailer there, and it's crazy. There's convergent mowers. It's mad the amount of stuff, and we're still only outside. Can't imagine what it's like in here. The elephant. And yeah, there's still so much cars up here. There's no parking spots. It's crazy.
Shames like that, wouldn't he? Thumbs up.
And that's only one part of it.
Alright guys, we're here now, and there's so much stuff. There's foragers right there, massive curling one, and there's mixers, there's glasses, there's rakes, there's fertilizer spreaders, there's everything. Look at that massive thing, it's massive. There's fertilizer spreaders, there's slurry tankers, feed mixers. What's this? Mulchers.
Bale shears.
Bale shear.
Heavy machinery.
What's this? A wood chipper? Huh?
Straw chopper.
Straw choppers.
Well, that's the same as what the farmer fill is.
Yes.
Bale feeder.
Yeah, bale feeder.
How are you?
How are you?
It's Corey.
How are you, boy?
How are you?
No, I was only chatting to your brother 2 or 3 hours ago. Seven young men came up here, we said we come up here for inside.
Yeah, there's so much stuff, and we'll get to you when we see more machinery, because we kind of covered this entire place. But yeah, there's a lot more. There's another John Deere Charger over there. Can't really see it, but there's so much. We'll get you back when there's more machinery.
What is it?
T7.
210.
Yeah. Stuff's brand new,
Okay, we're back.
I'm going to come back here.
there's tons of stuff. Still, PM120 there. Slurry spreaders. What did that guy say that? There's telehandler looking yokes. What did that guy say? There's a mower forest.
Zero grazer.
Zero, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
Whatever he
Zero
said.
grazer.
Zero grazer. Look at this. Massive John Deere. What was that guy saying to you though?
Here, go over time and take it.
It's massive.
Some machine, no?
Yeah. So you can Don't you just hate that feeling
Here,
where
they're behind you.
yeah. Okay guys, so that was the Spring County Cavan show thing. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.